This time, let's talk about after the pump is received. How to install the tripod. We take away a random pack of accessories. Take out the 2 tripods and 4 screws. There are also 4 nuts. There are no pros and cons to a tripod. We need to put the 2 holes under our feet. Align the 2 holes at the bottom of our pump. We align the screw with the hole. Install the bottom with nuts. The plug used in our water pump is a 16A plug. During use, we try our best to give priority to finding the native socket of 16A. For example, the interface of this socket is 10A. There is no way for us to fight directly. We have to use a 16A to 10A adapter. Plug the 16A socket into the adapter seat. Then insert the adapter into our 10A socket. This method is only suitable for short-term use. It cannot be used for long hours of work. During the operation of the pump, preference is given to independent power generation, such as generators. If it is an outdoor power plug-in cable, it may cause insufficient current supply, cause the pump to trip. If our water pump, it supports 20 trillion transient pressure. Rated pressure is 10 trillion Pa. If you use it for the first time, want to perform a pressure adjustment, we need to remove the black lid here. Prepare an N6 hex wrench. Before screwing, let's loosen the bottom stud nut first. We unscrew the bottom stud nut. Then we twist it clockwise. Twist clockwise to pressurize our water pump. To turn it counterclockwise is to relieve pressure on our pump. Note that the rating of our water pump is 10 megapascals. If you have a water pressure above 12 trillion Pa for long-term use, it may affect the life of the pump. It is not recommended for long-term use either. More than 12 trillion Pa of water pressure for operation. When the black pointer is pointed at the black number 1000, represents the current pressure as rated 10 trillion Pa. Turn the hex wrench clockwise. Pressure rise. Rotate the hex wrench counterclockwise. Pressure drop. During the cleaning process, 8 megapascals is recommended when spraying foam. 10 megapascals is recommended for spraying water.